Hello again, Pietro here. If you haven't noticed, I have a thing for gadgets, watches, rings, and that brings us to what's in this box. First things first, a little bit of knife work here. Small incision. It's a ring by RingConn. Nice, simplistic box with a little tear tab. Oh. Okay, product name RingConn Gen 2 2.0 Smart Ring. Battery capacity 12 milliamps. Awesome. And battery size 500 milliamps. Nice. Manufacturer is in Nashuan, Xinhuan. All right, cool. In China. This product contains a built-in rechargeable battery. Let's hope so. Okay, here we go. A little bit ASMR. That didn't work. And the other side. Ah, good thing we still have our knife. Oh. So I ordered the size 11 in slate black. Let's give it a spin, shall we? Awesome. Fits like a glove. So right now my hands are a little, I mean, they're not plump sausages, but I would say they're normal size, and it fits on and stays on. You don't want the ring to shoot off when you shake your hands. Now when your hands are cold, well, that's a whole different story. So we have the manuals. Did they send me a sticker? They said that they've watched my videos and like my content, and I always like stickers. They did not send me a sticker, and that's okay. They did send me a nicely braided cable, USB-C to USB-C. That's very nice, so I can charge it with my phones, and the charging cradle. Ooh, nice. Little clamshell. Whoa, 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 whoa. And that's it. Nice box, minimal packaging, nice presentation. They do come in 4 different colors. A gold color, a silver color, rose gold, and then the black that I ordered. So now what we're gonna wanna do is download the app, and I need to choose which phone I'm gonna use. Let me pontificate. I'll be right back. The app was easy to find. There was just one, RingConn Smart Ring, install. And then while we're waiting for this to download, I can charge the case. All right, the case is charging. Am I in the United States? Yes, agree, allow. And RingConn is always with you. Get started, next. Oh, need to sign up. Look away, please. Good news, the app is installed. I've registered an account. I've technically sold my soul to yet another company. Let's take a look at the app. All right, so all we should have to do is put this ring in the charger, close the clamshell, connect ring. If you use a brand new ring, activate the ring in the charging case. The ring blinks blue, click on start search. Okay, allow. While using the app, allow. Searching for ring, yes. Pairing, did it glow blue? Oh, it did. And yes, pair. That was really fast. And it's blinking blue. Update now. Sure. Firmware downloading. Data checking. And it's 16:23. So far, I'm 5 minutes into RingConn. Well, that was good. Even though I closed the case, it did not terminate the update, so it still communicates even when the case is closed, unlike some other clamshell smart rings I know. Okay, we'll come back when it's done updated. All right, just a few minutes later, Ring updated successfully. And if we click right there, the Ring is at 90. Oh, that's cool. Out of all the rings I've tested, I've never had a Ring tell me how much longer until fully charged. So about 9 minutes. It charges really quickly. Now, does it tell me the charge of the case? How do I know when the case is fully charged? We'll find out. Oh, I ordered a size 10. I thought it was 11, but that's okay. Curiouser and curiouser. And just like that, it is fully charged. That did not take too long. So now I can open up the clamshell, put it on my finger. Okay, there we go. And now I just start wearing it. And then we should see some stats coming online very, very soon. See you later. Maybe tomorrow morning.
Hey, Dad.